Hello everyone, welcome back here once again. I trust we're all doing well and fine. Today we'll be doing some unboxing. I am so excited. So if it's something you would like to watch, sit back, relax and watch me. And if you're new here, do not forget to click the subscribe button and join the family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love. So let's see the contents. So these foodstuffs was sent to me by my family from Nigeria. Someone brought it into Germany and then she sent it by post from her own region down to my place. First I have crayfish. This foodstuff excites me so much. Like there's nothing like having foodstuff from back home. The taste is so different from what we buy from the African stores. Like the crayfish for instance. The ones I buy from the African store, sometimes it smells so bad. Hey, the baba of all ogbono. I can't remember when last I had ogbono. This is another exciting thing about this package. I am going to eat proper ogbono soup. And then we have egusi. Yeah. I told them not to blend it so that I can preserve it for very long and then blend as I need it. I had a package already before this one came in. This is like the second batch of the remaining African food that was sent to me. And this is dry periwinkle. This is the first time I'm actually receiving this. So I don't know, I pray it turns out right. I'm going to soak it in hot water and dehydrate it and see how it turns out. This very one I think is aditan, dry aditan leaves. If you are from Akwa Ibom or you meet any of these Akwa Ibom women who sell in the market in Nigeria, they will show you what the leaf looks like. But that's a dry one. And in that nylon I have some shea butter. Shea butter from Ghana that was sent to my family in Nigeria and then they sent it down to me. All of these are very important things that sometimes getting it in the African shop here is very difficult, or when we get it, it's like really bad. And this other Ziploc bag contains dry, I think dry ugba and some spices, yeah? Dry ugba and some spices in the peso spice, soya spice and all of that. I prefer to package my things in Ziploc bag. That way it's easy for me to sort out and then sort them out and preserve them the way I want. And in that bag I just took away, there's some personal stuff I don't want to open in the camera. And then the second box, let's see what is inside. I am so excited. Some egusi remaining, some part of the egusi poured out, but that's fine, I'll clean them up. There I have some pepper soup spices. And that is ogiri okpei that was sent to me as well, and some leftover egusi was put in that same Ziploc bag. So sometimes this thing may look like it's quite expensive, but it's not. In the long run it turns out way better. Stockfish, a full Ziploc bag of stockfish. If I was to buy this in the African shop, I imagine how much it would cost me. And they are like very good. Nothing happened to this particular set of goods. The first one I received too was okay as well. Here we have some stockfish. Is this stockfish? No, this is dry fish. Some dry fish, yeah. Yeah, see what the dry fish looks like. Some catfish, dry catfish. While unpacking, I discovered that some of them got broken. So maybe next time for the catfish, I won't be using this kind of package alone, Ziploc bag, no. And then we have dry atama. I love atama, especially in the dry form, not just because I live in diaspora that I can't get the fresh one, but even in Nigeria I love eating the dry one. I find it more interesting than the fresh one. Like I love it. It's more delicious. Oh, another Ziploc bag of stockfish. This one has stockfish and dry fish as well inside. This is enjoyment for me, oh, proper enjoyment. Another Ziploc bag of stockfish. Wow. I think I should show you guys what the stockfish looks like. Yeah, that's what the stockfish looks like. So I'm just going to put this in my freezer, and then I'll be using it in bits. In bits. In bits, so I to finish quickly. Thank you so much, my family. In fact, this was like a great gift from our Mugwo. Yeah, more fish. It was this particular Ziploc bag that had some broken one inside. So I got a tip from watching Auntie Flo in Flo Chinyere's channel. I need the way to wrap it with paper or properly so that it doesn't get broken. So here we go. I've unboxed everything. I had a first package a month before this. That one also had crayfish, egusi. It had some fresh leaves because a friend actually brought it in for me. So she bought it like a day before she moved. So she brought in some fresh leaves like oziza, which I washed and then sliced and freezed for my future use. But this is like the second batch that came through some other person as well. So if you watched to this point, I know part of the family, please click the subscribe button, turn on notification to all, be a part of this family, and also drop me your comments. I know you were here. Thank you for unboxing this with me. I'll be showing you different ways to which I'm going to be using this ingredient so that you can also enjoy watching with me. So stay tuned for more recipes, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.